Hey everybody! As you can see, I'm starting out on dry, dirty hair. I hadn't done my hair in about 2 weeks, so it was time. I decided to do my favorite DIY mask. This mask consists of olive oil and mayonnaise, and it's great for hair that's lacking shine and hair that's tangled. So, of course, you're going to need your mayonnaise in a bowl, and I just scooped the mayonnaise out with the spoon. Now I did 3 big scoops that I didn't necessarily need. I would say 1 or 2 scoops is good depending on how much hair and the thickness of your hair. The reason why I did so many scoops is because I have a lot of hair and my hair hadn't been touched in 2 weeks, so I thought I needed a lot more than I did. Now I'm just adding the olive oil. I add a generous amount and I start to mix the olive oil and mayo together until I get it to a nice creamy consistency. And I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil. Olive oil is what helps bring the shine, and it also helps to detangle because of the slip. So now that the mask is made, I'm going to start applying it to my hair. I apply this DIY mask as a pre-poo, especially because of its detangling properties. I first section my hair off and I apply a generous amount of water using a spray bottle. Then I apply the mayo and olive oil mixture and I begin to finger detangle. Instantly, the definition in my curls begins to come back and doesn't look as dry and as dull as it did. After I finish finger detangling, I go in with a wide tooth comb and then I twist my hair up. Look at that definition. From a pre-poo Now that the mask is applied to all sections of my hair, I grab a little bit more and apply it to the top of my hair as well as my edges and my nape. I also just apply a little bit more to the twist just to make sure all the goodness is applied everywhere. Then I put these juicy twists in a plastic bag in order to allow the heat to penetrate my strands and for my hair to condition. I allow it to sit in my hair for at least 30 minutes. After washing the mask out and shampooing, these are my results. My hair is soft, manageable, detangled, and ready to be deep conditioned. I do this mask when my hair needs a pick-me-up because it contains protein and it always gives me the results I need. Try this mask and let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you later. Mwah.